So here we have another question in which pressure depends on a distance as given. So this is the relation where alpha and beta are where alpha and beta are constant. K is Boltzmann constant, theta is temperature, and dimension of P we have to calculate. Now see, first thing, as we know that exponential function has no dimension. That means minus alpha z over k theta has no dimension, so it can be written as m0 l0 t0. Okay, point number 2, k is Boltzmann constant, and Boltzmann constant is basically joule per kelvin. Okay, joule per kelvin means dimension of joule, I mean energy is ml squared t raised to 2, and sorry, dimension of k will be like ml squared t minus 2, and for k it is theta. So it is obvious that dimension of k will be ml squared t minus 2 and per theta or per kelvin. This is the dimensional formula for theta, sorry, k. Now if you see that minus alpha z divided by k theta is equal to m0 l0 t0. From this I can find out dimension of alpha is equal to k theta upon z, where k is ml squared t minus 2 per kelvin, and again there is a theta, so we can write as this, and this is l. Now if you calculate a dimension of alpha, then it will become ml t minus 2, as this theta and this theta will get cancelled, and this l and this square will get cancelled. So dimension of alpha will be this. Now from the equation, if you see, this equation says that P is equal to alpha over beta. Alpha over beta. It means pressure is equal to alpha over beta into exponential function, that is minus alpha z over k theta. Okay, so this whole component has no dimension, and alpha we have calculated. That means I can write beta as alpha upon p, and alpha is mlt minus 2, and pressure is basically force upon area. Pressure is basically force upon area. So its dimension will be ml minus 1 t minus 2. So ml minus 1 and sorry t minus 2. If you calculate, its dimension will become m, and m will get cancelled, and minus 2 will get cancelled. This minus 1 will become, this minus 1 will become plus 2. That is, again let's write beta is equal to alpha over p, and alpha is m l t minus 2, and pressure is m l minus 1 t minus 2. If you see, we have clearly l upon l minus 1, that is l raised to 2. It means dimension of beta will be m0 l square t0. Okay, so calculate solve this question.